Hello guys, welcome to your driver channel. I'm super excited to have you guys here today. So today we are going to be looking at this volatility trading strategy. This strategy is going to be the simple strategy you guys can ever imagine, and the strategy is going to be quick and easy to trade with. Okay, of course, this strategy right here is very useful to trade the VIX indices, and it's very accurate. Okay, so all you have to do just to make sure that you watch this video to the end, so you won't miss any explanation about the strategy and how to make use of the strategy. Okay, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. Anytime we post new strategy, you guys should be aware. Okay, and let's dive into the settings for the strategy. Okay, this strategy is going to be as quick as it is. So now the first indicator that we're going to be adding is the RSI. All the indicators that you are going to be needing in this strategy is going to be in our indicator window 1. Now we add the first indicator up. This is what you need to do. Click on the main window plus, search for your RSI, which is right here. Now this is the RSI. Now click on it, and this is the properties. The period is 10, apply to close. The levels, we need the 15, 85, and 50 levels. Choose any color of your choice for your level colors, and click on done when you set everything off. Okay, now we are moving on to the next indicator. Now once you add the RSI up, it's automatically going to be on your indicator window 1. Now we click on the indicator window 1 plus to add our moving average up. Click on search for moving average and click on it. Now this is the properties for the moving average. The period is 5, shift is 2, the method is exponential, apply to weighted close HLCC/4, and use the black color. You can use any color of your choice. So we set everything up like this. Click on done, and you're going to have your moving average in your chart. Now to the last but not the least indicator. Now click on the indicator window 1 plus, search for your moving average and click on it once again. Now these are the properties for the moving average. The period is 50, shift is 2 also, method is exponential as well, apply to weighted HLCC/4 as well. Now click on done. I'm using a black color also, so click on done. We set everything up, and this is how your chart is going to look like. Okay, now how do you make use of your strategy? How do you make use of strategy? How do you use it, and what are the conditions you need to see for to any trade with the strategy? I will explain that to you guys in the next. So now to make use of your strategy, before I dive into that, guys, I want you guys to know that we do account management no matter how small or big your equity is. Contact us for account management. This is December time, and it's good to make money for December, so just contact us. Let us help you grow your account, and then let's make money together. This is WhatsApp contact, so just contact number as screen is WhatsApp number, so we'll respond to you as soon as possible. So let's dive into how you guys are going to make use of the strategy. Now remember, this strategy works on all the VIX indices. Okay, it works on the VIX indices. Now I'm on VIX 75 index. Now how do you make use of the strategy? Now the first thing you want to make sure that you take note of is, now let me show you guys for the sell. Now for the sell, this is what you need to do. Now the first thing we are expecting is you want to see the first moving average line. Let me change this color so this will be a lot more easier for every one of us. Let me change this to blue. Okay, so now the first indicator, which is the black indicator right here, the moving average line. Now we want to see the moving average line at the 85 levels. It must cross above the 85 levels. It's crossed above the 85 levels. You guys can see right here. Now when it crosses above the 85 levels, now the next thing we are expecting is, after it crosses above the 85 levels, we want to make sure that you see the moving average come back and break below the 85 levels. Okay, it has to break below this 85 level line right here. Now when you break below the 85 levels, we also break below the second moving average line. Okay, and when you break below the second moving average line, it's cross over each other, the moving average line cross over each other, and the moving average is outside the 85 levels. It's inside the 85 levels. Then that's where we are expecting to take a trace. Okay, now I will explain this one more time. Now before I explain it one more time, now for the zoom level, when you zoom out completely, we are using the third zoom level. So zoom in 1 and 2. and you are good to go. Okay, now I'm gonna explain this one more time. Now, the first thing you want to see is you want to pay attention to your first moving average. Now, paying attention to your first moving average, you want to see it come above the 85 levels. You want to see it come above the 85 level. When it come above the 85 levels, then you want to pay attention for the crossover to happen right at the 85 level, outside the 85 levels. This inside right here, this inside, and this outside. Now it's outside the 85 levels. Now the break must happen outside the 85 levels. The break must happen outside the 85 levels, which means that the two moving average line cross over each other. When the black cross over the blue moving average line, which bring it to come below it, when it happens, then the next thing we are expecting is we want to make sure that before we enter a trace, the line, the moving average line, which is the black line that crosses over the blue line, has to be outside the 85 levels, which you can see right here. It's outside the 85 levels. Now when outside the 85 levels, it should be right at this spot. It should be right at this spot right here. That's at this last green candle right here. Now when this candle close right here, you enter for a trace. Okay, now for your TP, you choose TP right at the 15 levels, right at the 50 level right here, or TP at the 15 levels, or you can use your support and resistance to take your profit, which means that if you enter a trade right at this spot, now our stop loss should be above. Sorry, when we enter at this spot, our stop loss will be above, and our TP will be right at this area right here. This way our TP should be, or we can take our profits with the indicator, which is 50 levels of the RSI or the 15 levels, which is easy peasy to just take your profit. Okay, so now let me show you guys for the buy. Now right here, can you consider this a perfect entry? As you just see this right here, can you consider this as a perfect entry? No, it's not a perfect entry. Why? It's not a perfect entry. Why? Because of the moving average line does not cross over each other at outside the 85 levels. Does not cross inside, not outside. Now, if you cross inside, then I don't consider that as a trade. You want to see it cross each other outside the 85 levels. Okay, this gives you 100% accurate trade now. Okay, it's going to be a profit for you. It's going to be a profit for you. Okay, so now we have one more example right here. You can see it move straight to the top side. Now you can see the first thing we still right here is now the black line outside the 15 levels. Now when outside the 15 levels, the next thing you want to see is you want to see the crossbar to output outside the 15 levels as well. When it's outside the 15 levels, what we are waiting for is the moving average to move inside the 15 levels. When you move inside the 15 levels a little bit, then you enter your trades. Now we are talking about this area right here. This way I'm expecting you enter your trades. Okay, you enter your trade right at the last green address. When this red candle close, you enter your trades. Okay, now I've already taught you your stop loss and your take profit. Your entries right here. Stop loss will always be below, and your take profit will almost be at this area right here. Or you can just use your indicator, which is 50% of the RSI or 85% of the RSI. Okay, so as simple as that, guys. So let me show you guys another example on the VIX 100 index. Okay, now before I dive into the before I teach you guys how you can use on the VIX 100, I want you guys to make sure that we do have a premium strategy course which you guys can purchase at a low cost. This premium course teaches you everything about the trading. It teaches you guys a strategy you can be using to make money trading with the derived synthetic index. Okay, this strategy is very, very useful, and it's available for each and every individual. Okay, so you can just contact us at the number you're seeing on the screen. It's also a WhatsApp number, and we respond to you as soon as possible. Now let's begin with our video. Now you can see similar, but it's also a perfect entry right here. Now you can see right here, the first thing I've already told you guys, you want to make sure that you see the moving average line outside the 85 levels. When it's outside the 85 levels, we want to see the crosses happen outside the 85 levels as well. And when we wait for the moving average line to move inside the 85 level, when we move inside the 85 level a little bit, then we enter our trades. Now, if we enter our trade right at this spot, this way we are expecting to enter for our trades. Now, we enter our trade right at this spot. Now, as we all know, we set our stop loss above the resistance or the support area. We take profit at the support or the resistance area as well. Okay, so as simple as that is, guys. So one more example before we call this video is there. Now we are looking for it. Now you can see this is not a clean entry because it's just not cross over each other at the 15 level. So it is not a clean trade. We are looking for a perfect and clean trade. Okay, now similar to this one right here. Now you can see when the moving average line is outside the 85 levels. Now it crosses up outside the 85 levels as well. We wait for the moving average to move inside the 85 levels a little bit, and we enter for our trades. As simple as that, guys. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications and type in strategy. You guys will be happy. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.